right, this is Rugby Laser 600 Series, Scene 1, Take 2. How's that for a slate?
Not a problem.
You don't care
Bring
that
it on.
I'm banging your $1,100 laser around? You don't care?
I don't care.
No?
That's what it's designed for. It's designed to take it on the job site. On a construction site, they're not gentle with them, so we design them to take the job site.
Okay, well, I'll just drop that then right there.
Yeah, there you go.
And so, that was the 810. Now we're talking about the 600 series. How is this different from the 800 series?
We introduced the Rugby 800 series as a premium line.
Right.
Very successful. We had a lot of people come back and say, that's great, but I want something a little bit more affordable. So we came out with the Rugby 600 line,
right,
which does exactly that. It makes it a little bit more affordable for the people to use, yet still offers you a lot of value for your money.
Well, I tell you what, one button, anybody could use that probably, right?
Absolutely. Turn the button on here, self-levels, there's no level miles on it, put it on a tripod, you got a flat plane of laser light going around 360 degrees.
Sure, so if you're like doing flat work, great for that?
Great for concrete construction, forming, so forth, anywhere you need a flat plane.
Okay, and when we talk about rugged, I mean, dropping is one thing, but then there's like people spilling coffee on it and whatever, right?
This thing's got an IP67 rating on it, so it's waterproof.
Oh, nice.
Yep,
all right.
Absolutely.
What's the power source?
Power source is down here. You can either use alkaline batteries like this.
How long will that run?
You're going to get about 60 hours.
Oh, that's pretty good.
60 hours out of the battery.
So you keep some extra batteries in the truck, you're good to go.
Absolutely.
But if you're a rechargeable sort of a guy, can you get lithium ion?
Right here. The same package just slides right in here, but here's a lithium-ion battery. It's going to give you about 40 hours worth of use out of it. Okay. And that's good for the environment as well, so you're not throwing away batteries all the time. Okay. Simple recharge.
Yeah. What about your receiver on this? What does it come with?
Receiver comes with, as a standard, a Rod Eye Basic, which is here. You can upgrade if you'd like to what we call the Rod Eye 140. You can see the main difference between these is this receiving window.
Right.
This one's got a big 5-inch window. Yep. This one's about 2 inches, so it's just much easier to capture the laser beam.
Okay, so this is standard and that's an add-on.
Exactly.
Okay, price tag?
$695.
Warranty?
3 years.
All right, the parade of progress continues. What do you have here?
We got a 620 here. Very similar to what you saw there in the 610, except for now you got a couple extra buttons here, and that allows you to take that flat plane and tip it. So I put it in the manual, I use these buttons, and I can tip that slope up, which is great for aligning maybe a handicap ramp or 2 points together.
What about landscapers with grade?
Perfect. They can do that. We've also got another one to show them later, but landscapers love this thing because it just takes a lot of the guesswork out for them.
Okay, same rating with the IP, probably same warranty.
Yep, they all have the same warranty and same IP rating.
Price tag?
On this one, it's $895. So again, very affordable, gives you a little bit more flexibility.
Yeah, it all depends on the job at hand, right?
Exactly.
Okay, 640, tell me about it.
640 adds a whole new dimension from the standpoint you've got this flat plane going around, but now I can also take it and lay it on its side like this.
Oh, nice.
So now I have a vertical plane of rotating laser light, as well as a plumb beam that comes out here for squaring up 90 degrees.
Okay.
So it adds just people doing tilt-up panels, anything where you need anchor bolt alignments, things like that.
Okay, and price tag?
This one is $1195.
$1195, okay. So, we got a couple more to show right here. Let's do it.
$670. That gives you that same flat plane, but what we've added the dimension on here is the ability to put in a slope. You got a screen on this one, which you didn't have on the other one.
Smart, yeah.
So instead of just taking and tipping that plane and not knowing where you are, you take this and you can insert, in this case, a single grade in one direction. You tip that slope up, just dial it in here up to 8%, and it goes right up to that grade, and off you go. So that's great also for septic installers, landscapers like it, contractors. It just adds another dimension.
Right. Well, it's all about getting it right, right?
It is. That's our motto, when it has to be right.
All righty. And that should be every time. So here's 680.
680, very similar to the 670, except you now have dual grade.
Yeah.
So I can take a slope and put it in this direction, as well as in this direction simultaneously. So if I need to have drainage coming in this direction and this direction at the same time to one location, the 680 is the one for you. Okay, so let's compare these two side by side right here. How much is this? This one's $12.95 and this one's $14.95. Still, all very reasonable considering the power of the tool, right? Absolutely. Alrighty. And so, you're probably thinking, God, I need more information about this because that is a pretty good size investment in my future because, again, it's about getting it done right. And so what you can do is you can go to this website. It is leica-geosystems.us for all the information about the various tools we've been talking about here, but also where you can find the distributors so you can actually do a little touchy-feely. And I would say probably don't do this when you go into the dealership, right? Not a problem. Try it, see what happens.